She is exactly on me, exactly looking like me.
Yes, who are you?
Daughter, your father is here.
Yes, wait, I'll call him. Dad, someone is here to meet you.
You? Why have you come here? And who gave you the address?
I came here to meet both of you.
Stay away. Don't come near me. Yummy, did she talk to you? Say something to you?
No.
Why have you come here? Who gave you the address?
I will tell you who gave me your address. Just I wanted to talk to you once.
But I don't want to talk to you. Get out of here right now.
I will leave, Sanju. Just I want to meet my daughter for once.
Daughter? Which daughter are you talking about? The one you left when she was 6 months old? If you didn't think about her then why have you come here now? In the last 10 years, you didn't even try to find out that if your daughter is alive or not.
She must be alive. What will happen to her?
What will happen? A 6-month-old girl needs a mom. But the mom needed someone else.
I agree, Sanju. I have done a very big mistake. When whole day you were busy in your office, I was alone at home. You were not able to give me time. Always I was thinking that what am I doing here? Whole day I manage household work and take care of kid. You were doing best for me. But I could see only that what you were not able to do. And then I found it in somebody else. In starting, everything was going great. But when we got married, everything changed with him. It was all just before I met him. After marriage, he started treating me the way he never wanted a wife. He wanted a slave for his home. He wanted me to do everything for him. But for me, he was doing nothing. All of that I realized when I got separated from you. After 5 years, when we were not compatible, I took divorce. Since then, I was searching both of you. I wanted to meet you so that I could apologize to you. Please forgive me.
If you had just left me, maybe I would have forgiven you. But I'll never forgive you for what you did to my daughter. How many times have I requested you that please don't go, Ria, don't go. Our daughter needs you right now. I'll do everything right. I'll give you whatever you want. But you didn't listen to me. Why? You were in love by someone else. Do you know how many days she didn't drink milk? How many days she was sick just because of you? And whatever God does, He does is right. And what you did to me, that happened back to you.
Just for some time, I want to talk to my daughter.
Come here, kid. She's your mom. Do you want to talk to her?
Mom, I don't have any mother. You are my mom and dad both. Who is she? I don't know her.
You go inside, I'm coming. Did you hear?
I heard that. Can't you give me one chance, please? My daughter will get mom and dad both.
My daughter doesn't need a mom. Her father is enough for her. And always remember my one thing. No one is perfect in this world. Everyone has something missing, something that and this. But yes, we can make our relationship perfect by accepting each other's shortcomings and working on them. Not to leave them and go to someone else. You have come here today. But don't even try to come here again.